And that's the reality of the mobility of the city, especially at the time when populations are actually increasing. Now, we have also moved in a space where the city has sister institutions in various countries, other cities that we benchmark with. And you realize that it is in the city of Windhoek that public transport is not necessarily the same as in other spaces. You find professionals that would use public transport as the primary mode of transportation. And with us at the city have tried by all means to bring about certain situations that would make us understand what our challenges are, which I believe the minister and the mayor will speak about, including those that are going to make presentations. The city of Windhoek is a local authority institution. And when we say a local authority institution, many of you will actually misconstrue us who we are, or any urban center. We are an organization established in terms of the Constitution of the Republic of Namibia under